Okay, so you go to the menu, go to setup, auto backward exit. So usually, we already have this set up. So usually this would say false, and I think this says 6,000 millimeters. So you'd have to change this to true. So in the auto backward exit setup, these variables you can change at any time. This will originally say 0. We changed it to 40 for the program that we're using. So for the top three, you have to go to the control start, cycle power, options, control. Okay, so here we are in the control start function. So in here you go to menu, 0 next, 0 next, and then 2 for auto backward exit. This you can change to true or false. You'll want to switch it to true to activate the feature. Here, false, true. This is originally 6,000 millimeters. Ours needed to be bigger, so we had to change it to 10,000. But you'd go to apply, which is F3, and then you'd have to cycle start. So you'd go to function, cold start. So that is all on the auto backward exit feature.